A natural source of goodness, the sweet potato, a gift from the earth, filling our plates with the vibrant health. Let's start.
Hey guys, this is Manisha and you're watching Simplify Your Cooking.
Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page Simplify Your Cookings. So let's jump to the recipe, and for that we need to have some cute and golu molu sweet potatoes as we are making chaat out of it. Wash them off and wipe them out, and now apply some oil over. You have to sprinkle some oil over it, and you just have to apply with your fingers all over the outer sides. We are not going to boil them, but we are going to roast them on the flame directly. And for that you just need to turn on the flame and keep it on a low. Put this kind of stand and place the sweet potatoes and cover it with a lid or a bowl. Turn them 2 to 3 times and keep the flame on low. It will take 5 to 7 minutes to cook properly. Now peel them off very neatly and slice them all, and look at the beautiful slice. Now take out all the slice in a bowl. So now prepare something special to make this recipe ditto like a street style. So take some dry mango powder, add some drops of water, and so that it can stick to the each slice of sweet potato. Mix it so well and look at the amazing thing that will turn your recipe to the another level. Keep it aside and do the next process, which is to sprinkle some roasted cumin powder for its enhancing flavor. Add some black salt, add in some black pepper powder along with the tangy water. So first mix this all together. At the end, for freshness, add some drops of lemon juice, fresh coriander, and my favorite green chilies. Mix and serve. It's so tempting that you're gonna make it again and again and will wait for the next season of sweet potatoes. So do try this healthy and tasty option for sure. Let me know about the results. Till then, eat sweet potatoes in a large amount when it's in the season, and do let me know about the results. I'll meet you soon. Till then, take a very good care of yourselves. Bye bye.